to be gone. Feel like that. Feel like that.
Cruel wind today, blowing out of the east and the southeast. It seems I was hoping to avoid it this morning. I started at 7, pedaled into the wind about 2 minutes later. It's just gotten worse and worse. I've tried to go in 3 directions, and incredibly the wind is seemingly blowing in my face in all 3, or a major crosswind, so I'm riding sideways. 3, 4, 5 miles an hour at the worst, 10 miles an hour at the best. I'm on 5 hours. It's over 100 degrees. As you can see, I don't have much shade, and I haven't gone 50 miles. Oh. I'm out of the mountains, so I could have used a break. Instead, I'm just getting a massive endurance test today, just massive. Crawling along, and also notice the pavers. I've been on the pavers for 20 miles, 32 kilometers thereabouts. I don't anticipate they're going away anytime soon. And my slow speed means I feel every bump.
Buenos dias, good morning from San Benito in Nicaragua, which is directly on the Pan American Highway. I was on the highway for just a few miles yesterday, otherwise coming off of a secondary road, where for the second day in a row I was battling a significant headwind and at times a crosswind and almost never a tailwind. It was a difficult day, and the days before were as well for the same reason. And as I look over the rail here, just beyond my hotel room, as I expected this morning, the wind is already blowing again out of the east, which is the direction that I need to go for 26 miles this morning before I turn south. Of course, at that point, it'll be a significant crosswind, also not fun, and gusting to about 30 miles an hour by 10 a.m. for sure, and maybe even 9 a.m. So I've gotten up at 5, I've had some coffee, and I will depart here by 7 a.m., giving me 2 hours to ride most of the 26 miles, I hope, to the place where I turn south in the direction of Costa Rica and maintain that transect all the way to the southern edge of the big lake of Lake Nicaragua, where you may be familiar with Ometepe Island, a famous island that consists of 2 interconnected by land volcanoes. It's quite a spectacular space. So south I'll go along that lake. The shoreline will never be far off of my right shoulder as I make my way and close the gap to Costa Rica. I will celebrate when I get there, and in the meantime, I will try to complete each mile, no doubt, with my head tucked low on the bicycle as I fight my way through a terrible wind, which seems to be the norm here close to the lake on the east side.
Taking shelter here just before I crest the hill. What an opportunity to record a short report to confirm that the wind is doing what I anticipated.